Moving along nicely, let's begin the Z-axis assembly. First off, we're going to locate our Z-axis motors and remove the trapezoid nuts that came factory installed. We'll get one of the Z-axis covers and get it started on the thread. Then we'll just hold it in place and turn the shaft and get it to thread all the way down to the bottom. We'll take the other Z-axis motor and repeat the process. Next, we're going to identify the left Z-axis motor to the right. It's written on the end of the motor, but as well, the right motor has a longer lead wire than the left. With the frame facing forward, let's identify the left mounting bracket to the right mounting bracket. Take the screws and let's start with left and mount it to the frame. Then we'll follow up and mount the right one to the frame. Aligning the motors now to the front of the frame, lift the frame and lower it over the motors. Making sure the left and the right are on the proper side, leads pointing to the rear of the frame, fastening the left Z motor to the mounting bracket with 4 screws. Then doing the same for the right motor. Now let's do the final prep on the X-axis assembly. Insert the nuts at each end. Carefully rotating the X-axis assembly, let's attach the trapezoid nut with 2 sets of screws. Note that the raised collar of the trapezoid nut goes into the mount. And we'll do the same for the other side. We'll attach a trapezoid nut with 2 screws. Lowering the X-axis assembly above the Z-axis lead screws, rotate each lead screw to engage the threads on the trapezoid nut. Once you have both trapezoid nuts fully engaged, take the remaining rods and slowly and carefully slip them through the bearings and make sure they are properly seated in the Z motor mounts. Let's now identify the left and right Z motor top mounts. Rotating each Z-axis lead screw evenly, let's lower the X-axis assembly. Getting the left cap now to fit over top of the left rod and lead screw, we'll now attach it with 2 screws. Now we'll follow up with the right cap and do the same. Once we have it in alignment, we'll tighten it down with 2 screws. Well, that looks like the end of the section for the Z-axis assembly. We're ready to move on.